Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Forza Motorsport on Steam Deck. First, ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest Steam OS for optimal performance and compatibility. Next, acquire Forza Motorsport from the official Steam store, as this guide focuses on the Steam version. Finally, we will check the game's compatibility settings within your Steam library to prepare for installation. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth racing experience on the go. Once you own the game, proceed to install Forza Motorsport directly from your Steam library. After installation, navigate to the game's properties by selecting it and choosing the gear icon. Here, you will find the compatibility section. Check the box to force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. We recommend experimenting with different Proton versions, especially community-driven ones like Proton GE, for enhanced stability and frame rates. This step is vital for running Windows-exclusive titles. Now that the game is installed and Proton is configured, launch Forza Motorsport. Immediately head into the graphics settings menu. For the best balance of visual quality and performance on the Steam Deck 7-inch screen, set the display resolution to 1280 by 800 pixels. Adjust most other graphical options, such as shadows and textures, to medium or low. Disabling intensive features like ray tracing will significantly improve your frame rates, ensuring a more fluid racing experience. To further enhance your gameplay, make use of the Steam Deck's built-in performance overlay to monitor your frame rates and system usage. Experiment with different refresh rates, like 40 Hz, which can often provide a more consistent and stable frame rate than 60 Hz for demanding titles. Don't forget to customize your controller layouts to suit your driving style, leveraging the Steam Deck's versatile input options. Finally, consider an external SD card for the game, as Forza Motorsport can occupy over 100 gigabytes of storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.